Hello and welcome to our video on the legal issues to consider when using AI in your business. There are several legal issues that businesses should consider when using AI. Data privacy. AI systems often process large amounts of data, which can include sensitive personal information. Businesses need to ensure that they are complying with data privacy laws, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the EU and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, in the United States. Liability. If an AI system causes harm, the business may be held liable for damages, including physical harm from a malfunctioning system or financial harm from poor decisions. Discrimination. AI systems can sometimes exhibit bias, which can lead to discriminatory outcomes. For example, an AI system used to evaluate job candidates may be biased against certain groups of people. This can lead to legal challenges and damage the business's reputation. Intellectual property. Businesses using AI may need to consider intellectual property issues, such as obtaining necessary licenses and permissions to use certain AI technologies. Contractual issues. If a business is using AI in its products or services, it may need to consider issues such as indemnification, warranties, and terms of use. Overall, it is important for businesses to mitigate legal risks when using AI through safeguards such as legal counsel, policies and procedures, and employee training. Please subscribe to my channel at TheOctet.